All right, welcome back to Ron's Garage. Back again is Joshua.
Hey there.
My help. If he keeps coming to help, I think we may have to change the name of the channel to Josh and Ron's Garage.
I don't know about that. Thanks for the offer, though.
But anyway, today is a big day. We are going to install the windshield. I already have the gasket put around it. Let me get you a little closer. Yep, you're on a tripod today. So I've got the tape holding the bottom of the windshield is curved up. So I've got this tape holding the gasket up against it on both sides. This is the top, this is the inside. So what we're going to do is we'll get in here, and the first go round here, unless everything goes perfectly, is going to be a dress rehearsal to just see if the way we try to do it is going to work, and then we can modify it and try a different way. But we'll set this up inside. There's nothing for it to sit on that will hold it in, because it's going to be leaning backwards. So we'll have to hold both sides of the glass in while we put the frame around it and the newly painted center strip in the middle. So I've got brand new screws down there. We've got screwdrivers in there. Oh, you know what? There is one more thing I have to do before we go on. Is I'm going to turn this upside down, or outside rather. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to do it so you can. There is a lip right here, and this lip actually folds over the outside onto this groove here. So before we even start that, I am going to feed a string in there on each side, so that I can pull that string from the outside and fold that lip over. So this video is probably going to be in a couple of parts, maybe even as many as 3, because I think I can only go 15 minutes before YouTube won't let me load up from this phone. So we'll see what we can do. I'll pay attention to the time on the thing here, and maybe I'll just get it prepped and ready for us to set it up in, and then we'll start the new video. Let me see, but first I gotta go get this string. It's in the truck. I'll be right back. Now I'm wondering if I've got enough. Oh yeah, I think I'm pretty sure I do. Joshua?
Yes.
On the workbench or hanging above it, one is the blue tape. I'm going to need that again because I didn't put this in before I taped it.
All right, here you go.
All right, just hold on to it.
You got it.
So we're still rolling. Let me get you a better position here where you can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit better. Just going to feed this string up under this. This may take a little. Let me have a piece of tape, will you? Just tear me off a piece, yeah.
Here you go.
That'll do. I'm going to tape this to the outside of the window. And then work my way around here. putting this string in. All right, tear me off a piece about, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches long.
6 or 8 inches long.
Yeah. Good. That's a little too long. That's okay. Don't need quite that much. Another one? About half that long.
All right.
Another one?
Yeah, we'll need to do this about at least 3 more times.
Yeah, probably a little bit more than that, but we'll see.
All right.
Give me another one. This one broke.
Ah, no problem.
And another one. Now, when I've done windows in the past, they weren't front windows, they were back windows. And we soaped this thing really well. But I forgot to bring some soap. So we're going to try to do it dry. Let's see what that does. Let me go around to the other side and string that. Wish I had the ability to fast forward these like some guys do, then you guys wouldn't have to watch all of this.
I think they do this, no, I think they do this in editing.
They do, but I can't edit. I don't have any software on the phone to edit anything.
And I have no computer set up.
Well,
sadly, I can't help you.
It doesn't matter because it's a work phone. They don't allow copying of photos and videos and documents to a computer from the phone.
Ah, okay.
They don't mind if I do this, but they don't want it, you know, the possibility of downloading confidential company information. And one more, I think.
All right.
That should do it. Getting this gasket on this window was fun, I'll tell you that.
Huh.
Well, it's really, really stiff, and it's made to fit exactly, so I had to stretch it a little bit and pull it around. There's a razor blade knife right there on the workbench.
All right. You're welcome. So you had to stretch out something that was particularly solid in the first place?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, it was not fun. All right. Keep that in there. We might need that. All right. Get that around the other side. Check the time on the video. We're sitting at 10 minutes and 38 seconds. Tell you what, let's go around the other side and do a hold it up. Nah, you know what? I don't want to do that because if it works right, I want to go ahead and put it in, then I'll run overtime. So this is part one. I'll start the video again and you'll see us ready to set this up there and see if we can get it to stay. So see you on the next one. Bye.